Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
We are monitoring the situation regarding the standoff, but I seriously don't think that either China or India will go into serious confrontations. So hopefully everything will be perfect. We are hoping for the best. And in case it goes to worst, I mean, if they are not able to come, then definitely we have options of engaging other professionals.
But how vital was Chinese consultants for the
Because
bridge?
everything from the scratch they were involved in this project. Right from the designing stage, the proof consultant Dr. Chen was from China. The material, the cable stay material has come from China. So for the erection purpose, definitely they are required. But it comes to worst, then we have to find a solution for that.
Sir, any pending material yet to come from China? Are we
Yes, a lot of pending material yet to come from China. That includes your bearings, your expansion joints. There's some hold down system is there that will come. Monitoring system for the bridge that is to come.
As of now, how much of the work has been completed, and are you facing any issues as of now?
Presently, we talk about this cable stay bridge. About 65% has been completed, and from next month onwards, we'll start the pier table. That is first segment that will start launching in the next month in July. And full-fledged cable stay would start by September. There's a steep, problem with the migration of laborers. But we are trying to get laborers, get them back from Calcutta, from West Bengal and other places. We have even offered them flight tickets. So we'll be paying them, we'll be calling them through flights. Company will bear all the cost for that.
It's got any link?
Definitely delay will be there because of the pandemic. I mean, initially 1.5 months was lost. Then again the shortage of labor, now the monsoon. So all clubbed, I mean, more than 6 months will be lost because of this. And regarding the price escalation, there definitely will be price escalation, but not to the government, because they have because it's a force majeure. Force majeure, both the parties have to bear the cost.